Alright, welcome back YouTube. I know it's been a while since we made a video. I've been out of town. Some of the videos we tried to upload and everything quite didn't go the way we want to, so we got to make some other videos. But awesome job again. Picked up like 6 more subscribers. That's awesome. So we just keep like, share, and subscribe, and we'll get into this video. So like the title says, we have found an abandoned garage. It's pretty sad. I don't think it's been open or worked in heavily for about 3 years, and we're going to tear into it today, try to see what's inside and see what we can work on. But the really sad part about it is it's my own garage. We kind of embarrassed to show this, but it is what it is, and this is what we got to deal with today and the next couple of days. There'll be probably a bunch of time-lapse videos of us just cleaning this, but we started go-kart racing and it took over pretty much everything that we were doing. We stopped on the project here, which if you've been playing around on my YouTube channel, you've seen the Sonoma and the front axle swap, Luca's truck in the back. But Luca's truck's going to get pulled out, going to be put to the side because we're making bigger plans for that truck than what y'all saw in the video. Y'all will like that, what we're going to do to that. And then the focus is to get Kyle's truck, get the front end under it so we can get it rolling. But to do that, we have to clean out all this mess and get things going. We have built a loft in here for now until we can get everything moved around. And we're going to physically box that in and make like kind of a tool room in there and cover up that air compressor because it's loud when we're in here trying to film. We've got our work cut out. So what we need to do is to get you guys set up on a tripod and then start going at this mess. And hopefully I can get rid of this embarrassment that I call my garage. So here we go.